Hello, and welcome to Cook Once, Eat Twice, where we'll be showcasing cheap recipes that are guaranteed to leave you with leftovers. Today we'll be making a hearty, warming vegetable soup and penne pasta in a beautifully cheesy bechamel sauce. Let's start with our vegetable soup. Start by placing your pot of water onto a medium-high heat. Now, to prepare the vegetables, chop your peppers up, ensuring that the inside, called the endocarp, is removed. Mince your garlic by pushing down on it hard with the flat area of your knife. This will allow you to then chop it into smaller, more plentiful pieces. Next, peel and chop your potatoes using the method shown here. The same goes for your carrots. Peel and follow our chopping method. You want to add both of these to the pot now, as they take longer to cook than the other veg. Just make sure the water is boiling when you do. Chop your sprouts, then move on to your choice of onion, ensuring to chop them like so for maximum yield. The same goes for your leek, just make sure you discard the leaf and root sections. If you feel like it, add a few pinches of some mixed herbs, similar to the ones pictured here, before dropping 3 vegetable stock cubes into the pot. Now it's time to chuck everything in. Reduce the heat to medium and add your peppers, onion, garlic, leek and sprouts to the pot and stir to get everybody nice and well acquainted. You'll also want to add your tomato paste, tinned tomatoes, salt and pepper here. At this stage, partially cover the pot and simmer for around 20 minutes or until all the vegetables seem cooked and tender. And with that, your soup is ready to dish up. Turn the heat off, chuck some in a bowl and portion the rest out to eat in the coming days. Now let's move on to our pasta, shall we? Start by putting some water on to boil. The amount you need will depend on how much pasta you decide to make, so adjust accordingly. Make sure you salt your water, as this will enhance the pasta's flavour from the inside out. Melt your butter in a pan on medium heat. Once melted, add your flour. Stir continuously until a paste, called a roux, forms. Continue to cook this for another 2 minutes before it's time for the milk to come into play. With your milk, add gradually and whisk into the roux each time you add more. This helps ensure that the sauce is nice and homogeneous and avoids lumpiness. Once all of your milk is added and the sauce has a similar consistency to the one shown here, it's time to take your sauce from a 10 to an 11 with some grated cheddar. There's no need for caution here, just chuck it all in the sauce and stir until it's melted. And just like that, your pasta is complete. Just as you did with the vegetable soup, portion some out for yourself to eat now and save the rest for later.